Let's proceed to etymology of Africa. So before we start our discussion, what is etymology? So etymology is the origin of phrase or word. Objectives. Identify the etymology of Africa from different origins such as indigenous and European theory. Etymology of Africa, indigenous origin theory. Alkebulan. One school of thought argues that Africa was originally referred to as Alkebulan by its people, long before the name Africa came out. Alkebulan is an indigenous term that wasn't given to Africans by Europeans. So there was a theory that they believed that the origin of the name African was Alkebulan before the colonialism of European. In the book, Kinematic History of Africa, celebrated a Senegalese historian, the late Dr. Cheikh Anta Diop asserts that the ancient name of Africa was Alkebulan. So, according to the late Dr. Cheikh Anta Diop, a Senegalese historian, in the book of Kinematic History, the origin name of Africa was Alkebulan, which means the mother of mankind or Garden of Eden. The name Alkebulan, he writes, in the book, was used by the Moors, Nubians, Ethiopians, and other indigenous people. So this means that the word Alkebulan was really used by a lot of indigenous people back then. This theory aligns with Kemetic, an Egyptian religious, and Ethiopian text that annoys the Africa as the genesis of creation. Afro-Eka. According to Guyanese-born British professor of African Studies, Dr. Ivan Gladstone Bansertema, the etymology of Africa is linked to the Egyptian word Afro-Eka, which means translated to motherland, like Alkebulan. This theory also assigned that indigenous roots to the etymology of Africa. So, in this theory, they stated that the origin name of Africa was Afro-Eka. According to the British professor of African Studies, Dr. Ivan Gladstone, they are believe that the origin of the word Africa is Afro-Eka, which translated to motherland. Africa. Another school of thought posits that the Dogons, an ethnic group indigenous to the region of Mali, West Africa, defined people across the continent as African. So this means that there was an indigenous people who lived, called Dogons, who live in West Africa. They called the continent or the Africa, they called African. Theories argue while the term may be upper similar, it's unlike the word African because it was created by the continent people, not the European explorer. So, even though theories believe that there was the same term, but it has the different meanings because it was created by the continent people, not the European explorer. Africa is defined as the first sun's soul. Of course, like the Alkebulan and Afro-Eka, this theory also assigns the indigenous roots to the etymology of Africa. And now, let's proceed to etymology of Africa, European origin theories. Other theories believe that the etymology of Africa traces back to Arabic, Roman, Latin, and even Dutch infiltration of continent. Let's start with the Arabic definition of Africa. The Arabic theory assumes that the Arabic word firq or freak, which means separate, divide, or conquer, is the root word of Africa. This assigns an Arabic foundation to the etymology of Africa. So in the Arabic theory, they believe that the origin of the word Africa come from the word firq or freak, which means separate, divide, or conquer. Roman definition for Africa. Other studies on the etymology of Africa theorize that the spelling and popularization of Africa originated from Romans who conquered what is now modern-day Tunisia and identified the continent as Africa Terra. So in Roman theory, they believe that the spelling and the popularization of Africa was originated from them. They call Africa back then Africa Terra, which means the feminine form of Africus, which is a Roman mythological deity, meaning the land of the North African tribe Afri. Latin definition for Africa. Another etymology of Africa theory possesses that the origin of the spelling of Africa stems from the Latin word Afer, which means black or dark, and Africa meaning sunny. So in the Latin theory, they believe that the word Africa was originated from the word Afer, which means black or dark, and Africa meaning sunny. Greek definition for Africa. Still, some argue that the etymology of Africa has a Greek origin. Phryke is a Greek word meaning the land of cold and horror. When preceded by an A, prefix word Afrique is formed, which holds the opposite meaning, land free of cold and horror. This aptly defines that the continent and its climate contrast to European winters. So in Greek theory, they believe that the word Africa originated from the word Phryke, from the Greek word Phryke meaning land of horror, and it was preceded by an A prefix which means hold the opposite meaning, land of free, cold, and horror. Dutch definition for Africa. Another term for the continent was Africa, while phonetically similar to Africa. It is believed that the key was substituted with the letter C to make the word appear more European. So in the Dutch theory, they believe that the true origin of Africa is the word Africa with a K, and they just substitute the key to C so that it will appear more European. This further supported by comparison between Dutch and African languages. African is a language to South Africa and Namibia. It is particularly Creole, which is a fusion of multiple languages, but it is around 90% Dutch. The big change African makes from traditional Dutch is replacing hard C with a K. So that's what I said before, that the Dutch believe that the origin of the word Africa is the Africa with a K.